Welcome to Windsor Middle School Tips and Tricks.
Oh no, I forgot my Chromebook. I'm cooked.
It's okay, everyone makes mistakes. You can just use a loaner from your teacher.
Okay, thanks.
Oh no, my Chromebook's dead.
That's okay. People make mistakes. Just go grab a charger.
Great idea.
Hey, look at this.
Hey, I know it's fun to mess around, but you guys need to be on task, not be on your phones, have no AirPods in, and write in your planners.
Okay, that's good advice.
Oh my god, I can't figure out this question. It's so hard.
It sounds like you need help.
I need help, but I'm scared to ask the teacher.
It's okay, that's why they're here to help you.
Okay,
Hey kiddo, how can I help you?
I can't figure out this question. It's very hard and difficult.
It's okay, let's do it together.
Okay.
Hey, you're gonna pick this up, right?
Oh, my bad.
This is everyone's school, not just yours. Learn to pick up your messes. This is an example of a good student. They write in their planners and then they get their Chromebooks out. Bringing your awesome can-do attitude is when you're the best version of yourself. Not only do you win in school, but you win in life.